lesson, that is the second, patterns. Okay, so these 2 lessons I told you, it is there for the exam, for this midterm, this test. So patterns, and the next lesson is one more lesson. Who is unmuting there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I was facing some network issues.
Okay, okay. Now only I am starting now. Now only I am starting. Okay, you can join.
So ma'am, I'm ready with the seminar.
Okay, okay. After, before next period, before finishing the class, you can do, because otherwise it will be wasting time. Okay, so that next one. So patterns. Have you heard about the word patterns?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinny, who is that Vinny?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Parvati, so what is meant by patterns? Where you heard about the word patterns?
Ma'am, pattern we have studied in 4th standard, 3rd standard, and 2nd standard.
Oh, so
Even
much.
first standard.
So from first standard onwards, you are studying the patterns.
Yeah. First standard. Master Parvati.
Yes. Then, Adidev, what are the things you learned in this? Others, all of you mute. I don't want mass answers. Yes, Adidev.
Ma'am, we learned ascending order, descending order, and what the definitions of ascending and descending orders and patterns.
No, what is meant by pattern? That is my question.
Okay. Pattern are repetition of one shape.
Repetition of one shape. Okay. So where you will see patterns, Manjima, can you say where you will see? Others, all of you mute.
We can see patterns in our wall or in tiles.
Yes, in tiles. In tiles.
Ma'am.
Yes, in tiles you can see. You can see in dresses mostly. You can see this pattern of this dress is very nice. Saris, you can see different designs. And if you are studying about the patterns, you can become good designers. Okay.
There are lots of types.
There are a lot of patterns are there. That means it is only an arrangement of in a different, in same order. Sometimes it will become a square, rectangle, square, rectangle. So different, same order it is repeating. That is called what? Patterns. Already you have studied about it. Now we are going to study about some shapes which are symmetrical. Have you heard about the word symmetrical?
Symmetrical. Yes, ma'am. We have studied it in 4th standard and 3rd standard.
So what is meant by symmetrical figures?
Ma'am, symmetrical. Symmetrical means same.
Same. So you can see
Same figures. Similar figures to everyone.
Yes.
Similar
Some leaves,
figures.
if you take some leaves here, leaves. So you take the leaf, any leaf you take. So you can see the symmetrical here. If you are folding like this, are they same on both sides?
Yes.
Yes. Both the sides are same.
Yes.
Every leaf, if you are taking any leaf or flower,
Symmetrical,
you can
ma'am.
figure.
Symmetrical shapes are the shapes. If we divide it into half, they will look similar.
Yes, all are knowing. You are knowing.
Yes,
So these are called the symmetrical shapes. Now, if you are taking the,
we have even drawn it too.
yes, you have already drawn it. You take the playing card here. If you are folding like this,
we will get two.
it will be.
We will get two cards.
So you are knowing about all these things. Okay. Now, this year we have to study about the rotation of shapes. The rotation of the shapes, and there are 2 types of. So before that, you have to tell about the axis of symmetry. Okay. Axis of symmetry also you studied, I think. If you are folding, if it is like this, then along which line you are folding, that is called the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. If you are folding the leaf like this, you can see the playing card. If you are folding like this, you can see the axis of symmetry here. Okay. So like this, if you are folding. And playing card, you can fold like this also. If you are taking the A4 size paper, if you are taking the A4 size paper and folding it, so here you can see 2 types of axis of symmetries are there.
Ma'am, we can divide a triangle also.
Yes, you can divide the triangle also.
Shape,
Triangle also in different.
Circle, square.
Yes. Square also you can divide.
2D figures all we can do.
Yes, almost all shapes you can do. which are symmetrical in shape. Then there are two axes are there. One axis like this, and this type of axis is called horizontal axis. Which type of axis it is? Horizontal.
Horizontal axis.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Which is horizontal? Which line is horizontal? Straight line. This is horizontal.
sleeping line.
Okay.
Parallel
And this one
line.
is called
Parallel or
horizontal.
sleeping line.
Parallel or horizontal.
And this is called
Write it, but
not
vertical
right.
line.
Standing line or vertical line.
vertical axis of symmetry. So for a symmetry, yes,
should write the heading.
nothing. Now don't write. I will give you the notes now. After finishing this
Excuse me,
explanation,
ma'am.
I will give you the notes. Now don't worry. You try to understand this. If you are not understood, you can ask me. Okay, but I don't want group answers. So there are two types of axis of symmetry. 2 or 3 are there. Still many are there. So main two types of axis of symmetry. One is called horizontal axis of symmetry, and the other one is called vertical. Don't say.
Vertical.
Please don't say. Vertical axis of symmetry. There are two types of axis of symmetry is there. One is called horizontal, and the second one is called vertical axis of symmetry.
Ma'am, is there more?
Yes. More
axis of
symmetrical
symmetry?
lines of symmetries are there. For circle, you can take any types of lines of symmetries are there. But names will be different. Not given any names, horizontal and vertical. Others will be slanting lines. Okay. So the axis through which it is
Excuse me, ma'am.
folding. Yes, already you have learned. So I am going little bit fast. Now the next one, have you heard about the rotation of shapes?
No.
No.
That one
No.
is not here.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
now we can-
No, ma'am.
No. Now we can discuss about the rotation of the shapes, and the next one you have to study about, yes, next one you have to study about the number patterns, how the certain numbers are arranged. Okay, so rotation of solids, rotation of the shapes, we are going to
Rotation of
study rotation of shapes. There are two types of rotation. First one is called clockwise. Hrudvi, Haira, please mute. Clockwise direction. One is called
Clockwise direction.
Ma'am, clockwise.
In the clockwise direction,
so Sarah, what is meant by clockwise direction? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, I will say, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
Aditi.
will say. Ma'am, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Wait. Next one. I will-
Felix.
Yes, Felix. I will give chance. Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, clockwise means it will go in clockwise.
Yes. If the needle of the clock in which direction?
From right to
Yes,
left.
please mute.
Right.
Others, please mute. What
Ma'am,
is
to
meant
the
by
right.
anti-clockwise, Aditi?
And anti-clockwise means it will go to the left.
Left. That means just opposite to the
Left to
direction of the
right.
needle of the clock. Okay. That is
Left to
called
right.
anti-clockwise
Clockwise.
direction. So there are two types of rotation, or turning a shape or figure in the clockwise.
Ma'am, should be right.
No, just no need of writing. Just listen.
Excuse
Turning.
me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
A shape or a figure, turning a shape or a figure in clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Clockwise.
Manav, can you tell me
Ma'am,
what is meant by
Sarah, I
rotation?
have a doubt.
Yes.
Sarah, I have a doubt.
Yes, Sarah. Wait. Yes, Sarah, you can ask the doubt.
Ma'am, if one tile in that it is the same pattern with same shape and it's going on,
Yes.
and for one if it is a square, for
Yes.
one square the color is other, so it will be a pattern.
Which one? What? Square?
Ma'am, I will say once again.
Yes, tell me.
Blue, ma'am, blue and red squares, it's a pattern.
Yes.
But for one square it is black, so it will be a pattern.
You can have square pattern. Otherwise, color means it will not be a pattern. Blue, black, yellow. That will not be a square. Only that way how you are telling. Square, it is a pattern of squares. It is according to next one. If it is following
I have a doubt.
red and same color means it will be form a pattern. Yes. Any doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ridvi.
Yes, Prithvi.
Ma'am, if you said right, if the black, red, yellow,
Yes.
and black, red, yellow. If
Yellow,
like that comes, it will be a pattern.
Yes. Black, yellow, red. Black, yellow, red. That will become a
Felix, have
pattern.
a doubt.
Yes, tell me. I will show
We
that.
can make patterns using. Okay. That's.
We can make patterns with.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am. I am about to ask in numbers. Yes, we can do.
We can make different patterns. 1, 2.
Yeah.
1, 2.
1, 2,
1, 2.
1, 2.
Or different depending. See, 1. First
1,
number
1,
is 1.
1, 2, 1,
1,
3,
2,
1, 4,
1,
1,
2, 3.
5.
This is next one. It is coming for you patterns of numbers. Now we are studying about the rotation. What is meant by rotation of a
Ma'am, Felix, have another doubt.
Yes, Felix, you can ask the doubt.
In the number patterns, right?
Yes.
Some number patterns are going according to the multiplication, right?
Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is a pattern.
Yeah. So,
Hmm.
is there any patterns like is there any patterns going like subtraction, addition,
Yes,
division?
it is there. 6, 4. Subtraction. 6, 4, 2, 0. It is a pattern. Then next one what? But same number you are continuing. What is the next one? Subtraction is their patterns. Next one?
Subtraction, you show that.
Addition.
Addition.
2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. These are all patterns. That will come the next class. Next period. Next
Okay,
topic.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
That is also a pattern and it is coming in the next higher classes. In 10th also it is coming. That is called the
Ma'am,
special
is
type
the
of
division?
division is also there. You can write 2. 6. Again, if you are dividing by 2, what you will get? 3. Again, if you are dividing 3 by 2, next one, it will continue like this. Division is also there, a pattern. Okay. So these are the patterns, number patterns. It is coming in the next topic is number patterns. So what we are discussing about the rotation of a shape. So rotation means what is meant by turning a figure or a shape in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction is called Nainika. Nainika, you are not scoring well. You are laughing. I thought you will score well. Please listen. Only laughing is not sufficient. Yes. So the turning of a shape or a figure in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. I will show some example. This is a pen. Can you see this? I kept like this.
Yes,
Needle of the
ma'am.
pen at the top. Okay. Now I am going in the anti-clockwise direction. So I am turning this pen like this. Where it became now, how much I turned? 90 degree. 90 degree, if I am turning, the shape will be like this. This is the shape, it is rotated now. Again, I am coming down.
Yeah, this we have studied. Okay,
Studied?
okay.
Yes, this is called half
Like these
turn.
problems we have done in the class.
Yes, these are called the half turn. So 180 degree, if it is rotating, then it is called what? It is called the half turn. Again, it is
Half
coming
turn.
back to the original position. Then it is called the complete turn. In which direction,
Yeah.
Siddhi?
And
In which direction?
Clockwise.
Clockwise direction.
Clockwise
Because the
direction.
needle of the clock will be moving like this. If it is moving opposite, then it is called the
it's anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise direction.
The
So first one I am
clockwise.
turning like this. How much? What is the turn here? Hyra?
Half.
What is the turn here? 90 degree turn.
Half.
Quarter turn. 90 degree is called
Quarter.
quarter
turn.
turn. Okay.
Quarter
Again,
half
little
fold.
bit it is moving. Then 1 by 3 turn.
1 by
120
3.
degree. 1 by 3 turn. It is called
By
1 by
three.
3 turn. Again coming just down. 180 degree.
Half
So it is
turn.
called half turn.
Turn.
If you want to say that 3 by 4th turn also, otherwise it is not there mentioned here. And now coming to the original position. Then it became what?
That's complete.
Now
That's completed.
Complete
complete turn. Okay.
turn.
Complete turn means what? 360.
360 degree.
360 degree is called the
degree.
complete turn. Was it clear? So quarter
360
turn
degree.
means what? Tanvin? What is quarter turn? Yes. 90 degree. 90 degree is called quarter turn. Yes, Manas, what is 1/3 turn? 1 by 3 turn.
1 by 3.
1 by 3 turn means 120 degree. Half turn means it is 180 degree. Complete turn means it is 360 degree. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Turning
Yes,
a
ma'am.
figure or shape into clockwise or anti-clockwise direction is called rotation of shapes. And it may be clockwise or it may be anti-clockwise. And this rotation, it may be quarter turn, 1/3 turn, half turn, or complete turn. Quarter turn means if it is moving 90 degree in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. They will mention which direction. Okay, this is the original shape. And now I am going to turn in the anti-clockwise direction. 90 degree. Manav, where it will become now? 90 degree if it is turning it. What type of turn it is? 90 degree.
Can I
Yes,
say
tell me.
Felix?
Yes, Felix.
Ma'am,
90 degree. Which direction?
half.
Anti-clockwise.
No,
direction.
quarter,
Quarter
quarter.
turn. 90 degree it is when it is quarter turn. Now,
Quarter.
here, again it is
That's
coming
only
down.
I told.
Yes.
It's
Again it is
3
coming
by
down.
1 by
1/3
3.
turn. Again it is coming
Yeah.
down.
It's half.
Can you come?
degree.
180 degree or it is
180
180 degree.
or half.
Yes, please mute. Tanvi, if it is coming back to the original position, which type of rotation?
Only.
Complete turn. Complete turn. Okay? Complete turn. These are the important turns. It is in which direction, Maria? Which direction? Clockwise or anti-clockwise if it is going like this? Came here.
Clockwise.
No. In your house, clock will be moving which direction? Needle of the
Right
clock.
side.
This one. So I'm turning just opposite that. That is called anti-clockwise, not clockwise. If you are doing like this, then it is called clockwise. Needle of the clock, in which direction it is rotating. That is called clockwise. Just opposite means it is called
Anti-clock.
Okay. So clockwise direction is also there. Anti-clockwise direction is also there. And turning a shape or a figure in the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction is called rotation of this
Rotation of
and it may be quarter turn, it may be half turn, or it may be a complete turn, or it may be a 1/3 turn. Okay. So these are the important turns. If it is in the clockwise direction, it will come like this, quarter turn. If it is in the clockwise direction, again half turn means like this, it will come. Again, it is again coming, it will be complete turn. Now, if it is in the anti-clockwise, like this. Is it clear? What is meant by clockwise
Yes,
and
ma'am. Felix, I
anti-clockwise?
have a doubt.
Yes, tell me. Who is having doubt?
Can you show the pen?
Which one? Which pen?
The thing you are holding.
Yes, which
Yeah.
pen? Yes,
Like that.
yes.
Can in the clockwise direction.
Yes, here.
If the pen is pointing this side, another side,
Which side? Like this.
another.
Ah.
Okay, that side.
Yes.
What
Which
is the
direc-
fraction of the? Yeah,
Like
which
this,
direction?
like this. Anti-clockwise direction, quarter turn.
No,
Quarter
ma'am,
turn.
not anti-clockwise. Clockwise.
clockwise.
Clockwise, it is like this.
In Malayalam, we will say. Can I say?
Tell.
Mukkali.
Huh?
Mukkal.
Mukkala, 3/4 turn. Okay, okay. 3/4. 3/4.
That what I told them.
Yes. It is coming
clockwise
270
direction,
degrees.
this side.
270.
Another right.
Another weight. Okay. So it will be coming. Yes. 120. The main, they are not telling about 3/4 turn here much. Only they are telling about. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
in Bhagavati temple of Hindus, it's clockwise, Pradikshina. And in Shiva temple only the 3/4 clockwise and anti-clockwise.
Yes. Very good example. Very good
Temple-
example.
Temple things.
Leave God alone.
I am temple.
Yes. In Pradakshina, he will be doing.
That
Yes,
is
very good
true,
example.
ma'am.
Who told that?
That is true. Navaneet.
Navneet.
Please leave God alone.
That is true,
Don't
ma'am.
catch hold of
That's
God.
true.
That is true.
It is true. Okay, correct.
Hindus should walk around the temple.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, leave about that Hindus, Muslims, and all communities. Okay, leave about it. Okay, now. Okay, very good. He told exactly correct. Okay, next one. So that is about the turning of a shape. Turning of a shape into clockwise or anti-clockwise direction is called rotation of the shapes. Okay. So shall we start writing the notes? Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Yes. So the figures which are not symmetrical are called asymmetrical figures. Very good example. Shiva's temple, 3 by 4 turn, he will go and again. Okay. Tell me now. Next one. So shall we write the notes? Yes. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me now.
Ma'am,
Yes, who is
I
that?
was not there. I was not in the classes.
Who was not there? Is it
Tanvi.
Tanvi was there, no?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
She
ma'am.
was
Absent
not
for
there.
many
She joined
classes.
and went
was
again
absent.
network issue.
So, had you write anything?
Now we are going to start writing now. Okay.
That no.
Patterns we are going to start only.
Yes. Now I am going to
All
start. Now.
classes we take.
Yes.
That ma'am.
Chapter 2. Yes. Tanvi, you can start writing.
She's saying,
Ma'am, I will send
I'm
you
not there.
Yes. I did not start anything. Now I am going to start
I'm
writing.
not about patterns. Ma'am,
Patterns
she's
now we
saying
are going to-
before classes. Before classes, that shape chapter, right? She's
yes.
that asking about that. Did we take
I
anything?
sent the notes, no? Only one question left. No. Only one question we left.
Ma'am, we should write this.
Yes. Chapter 2, patterns.
Under patterns, we should
Chapter
write
2, patterns.
patterns in rotation like that.
And
We should
next one
write.
you can write patterns in rotation.
Ma'am, can I use a new paper?
Yes.
Yes. I mean, should we continue or a new?
No, no. Next page you can take.
Ma'am,
This
Ma'am, in the
chapter, right?
This is a new chapter, so you can start new page. Okay.
ma'am, in the
Yes,
shapes at angles and the 1.1, 1.1 and the 1.2 all we have to write in one. That notes you gave, right? So
Oh, notes.
1.1 is angles and 1.2 is 3D shape.
we had
So we have to spin it.
You have to
Right.
keep it in your file. Get ready for it.
Not
Down.
that, ma'am. These two 1.1 and 1.2 have to stapler.
No, no, no. No need of stapling. This is different chapter. You are keeping in the file now. Then how will you staple it? If you are stapling, it will be difficult to open. So next one you start writing chapter.
Not like that, ma'am.
Yes, tell
Yeah.
me.
like that. Can we thread all the papers of?
Yes, all the papers together. You can tie all the papers together.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. Don't staple it.
I was asking.
Yes. Okay, you can start writing. Who is sending messages?
Now we have to write patterns in rotation.
Next to heading, you write patterns in. Yes.
Ma'am, this slide over. Can you show the next slide?
Yes, wait, wait.
I'm not finished. Not finished,
Yes, let them write.
I'm not finished.
Yes, I'm not changing. One more minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we only write till net of a solid, right?
Yes, yes. Net of a solid. We
And we ended till curved surface. Net of a cone.
yes.
They're writing paper.
And drawing the figure. Afterwards,
And not only that, we will write perspective.
perspective.
Yeah, we wrote perspective.
Next is
after that
chapter
we
2,
will-
patterns.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Should we write show the next slide? Should we write chapter 2 patterns?
Chapter 2, new page you can take and write. Now you write the notes. Recall, don't write it just. Objects are said to be symmetrical if they can be divided into identical parts about a given line.
This all we have to write. Or
Yes,
there is
this one you have to
something
write it.
cut.
Yes. These are the notes. In this chapters, notes will be less because these are all figures. Oh, unmuted there, somebody's.
Can you share that first slide?
First slide is nothing. Chapter 2, patterns. That's all. Only heading. Chapter 2, patterns.
And write the heading patterns in rotation.
Yes. Next one, patterns. Next one you write patterns in rotation. In rotation. Chapter 2, patterns, and the next one you can write patterns in rotation. Who unmuted there? Somebody's.
I'm sure the board.
Srihari.
Sri really unmuted.
Srihari, please.
Ma'am, share the board, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you zoom a little bit?
It let us.
You can zoom in your device.
Here little bit is missing. Off. Sarah is having network issue.
Ma'am, what did you cut?
Off. That is recall. Recall, no need of writing. That's all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, my laptop and I have written the
Yes.
gym, so I leave from that side.
Yes.
Ma'am, I come to this mobile. So have you written any notes before this?
No. Only heading I wrote. Chapter 2, patterns. Now I should
Okay.
wind up now. Other students are joining. Next period we can write the notes. Complete these notes.
Ma'am, we
I-
should write this full.
Ma'am,
No,
can
you
you
have to write.
send this in the WhatsApp?
I will send now. I will
Excuse
send.
Me,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I should wind up. Others are joining
ma'am.
now. Shall I wind up? Next period I will show the same notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.